on fire. We're raising up higher. The bottom is up, we're over the top.